Ever get stuck staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with your next content idea? Or spend hours planning, scripting, and editing just to finish one video? I used to feel that way too, until I built a system that changed how I create completely. It's called the Creator AI Toolkit, and I'll show you what it does.
If you're a creator, you already know the hardest part isn't recording. It's everything before that. Generating ideas, writing scripts, designing thumbnails, repurposing content for each platform. And let's be honest, juggling a bunch of AI tools can be just as overwhelming.
That's exactly why I built the Creator AI Toolkit, to simplify that entire process. It's a centralized system that helps you go from idea to final video fast, without creative burnout. Let me show you what's inside. Here's the Content Idea Generator. It helps you brainstorm viral video topics using proven AI prompts. Next, the script engine structures your ideas into short or long-form video scripts in minutes. From there, the execution stage helps you with voiceovers, captions, thumbnails, hashtags, hooks to bridge the gap from just script to finished video in no time. And finally, the repurpose board, where your video gets transformed into tweets, reels, or posts instantly. Everything's connected, everything's automated, all in one place.
Before this toolkit, I'd spend 10 hours or more taking one idea from concept to completion. Now, that entire process fits into one workspace, from planning to publishing, in just a few hours. And the best part? It adapts to your workflow.
I created the Creator AI Toolkit to solve one core problem: helping creators go from idea to final video fast. It's now available on Gumroad if you want to streamline your creative process too. You can check it out through the link below.
In my next video, I'll show you how I use this toolkit to turn one idea into 10 pieces of content in under an hour. If you're ready to level up your creative process with AI, hit subscribe, and I'll see you there.